So I wanted to show the progress for this weekend. Walking into the massively, brilliantly white bathroom in the mother-in-law's suite. We have a light over the shower, which is pretty darn cool. And we spent a little time this afternoon cutting the brackets to put our linen closet in. We'll be painting those gloss white and the shelves gloss white, so they'll be nice and clean looking. And then the electrician came in Friday. Look at there, we have electricity. We have lights, woohoo! And we have electrical outlets all the way around the room in the mother-in-law bedroom. Woohoo! And if you walk into this brilliant, eye-blinding yellow living area, we have lights, canned lights in the ceiling. Oh my gosh, what a wonderful thing to have electricity. And we don't have a light fixture in the kitchen yet, but we might be able to get that in there sometimes next weekend, Memorial Day weekend. And this is the picture my daughter painted for Jim for Christmas. We've got a special, the light that we're going to be putting here is going to reflect up on the picture. So when people are going down the staircase, they can see a masterpiece completed. And we're going to go down here. Pardon the mess and the sawdust, but we have been painting the doors to the new hallway closet and the bathroom. This door on the other side, right about this area, had a fist-size punch in. So I spent a lot of time the last 2 weekends filling in the holes so we could hang that back up. And then in the large bathroom, it's still a little messy, Jim hung my thrift store metal decorations and a hook. And we have a towel rack that we're hanging, but we sort of hung it crooked and have to go back and fix that. And then this weekend, if you come on out here to the porch, you'll see how beautiful it is now. I power washed the side of the house, the porch, all the stairs, the rest of the porch. I also power washed the seating and the rockers, so there's no more pollen and dirt and dust on it. And then if you come in here, we've also been busy mudding the central hallway. You know, we've got all the mudding paper strips up. We've gone back over it with the second coat, and then I think we have one more coat to go over it, either as a skim coat, or we may even just come back and start rolling on the texture. There used to be a door here into the bedroom, and it has disappeared. And that's because the master bedroom and the corner bedroom are going to be turned into a master suite. So this corner bedroom will end up being a master bedroom closet. And then in this space that used to be where the washer and dryer and hot water heater used to be from the previous tenants, we have enclosed it, we've drywalled it, papered it, mudded it, and we did already paint the ceiling a nice bright gloss white. And this is going to be a walk-in closet for the front bedroom, which is still packed with all our boxes and furniture right now. But we've been busy bees this weekend, and we've got a lot accomplished. And on top of that, Jim mowed the yard in the front and the back and the side. And so we got a lot accomplished. This was a thrift store or a yard sale scope that we purchased off a neighbor, which we used to look at the groundhog that lives out at the tool shed. So that's our busy weekend and what we accomplished. I want to leave you with just an eyeball full of the beautiful green that we look at every day here at the farm during the growing season. And if you listen real carefully, you'll hear a whippoorwill and the chimes. Did you hear it? So this is Sunday and our accomplishments.